Today Audi A6 C6 body, front brake pads replacement. The other side I already did. Those are the new pads. The problem with those A6s are the inner side pad tends to wear much faster than outer side, as you can see. So they must be serviced quite often. Tools you need: Torx 55, that one big one, for caliper housing. To press piston back from this kit, take this part, a normal tool like that. Small pry bar, maybe a little bit hammer, obviously, and loops, lithium for the slider pin, and to release the bolts which are holding the caliper. Now, here are 4 bolts, Torx 55, here, one is over here, then it's here, and down there, which you need to undone. So, start undoing those bolts. Those are usually really tight. I don't recommend using any power tool. Those hex heads inside those bolts tend to break, or you can shove them down, so use hand tools. But if they're really tight, then take extra pipe end of the wrench. To get the other bolts loose, as you can see, I'm down under carve. I use my leg to release them. They are really tight. Probably, who knows when the last time they were serviced. So now, before we remove the last bolt, take this pry bar, put it between this sheet. Should come out from this in order to get this metal clip away. And it clipped away. Here it is. Here's down the metal clip which goes into this new pad or pad hole. And now remove the brake pad sensor connector. Connector is off. Now put this screwdriver or something down here. There's a plastic air which goes into this hole, just to pry it away. You can break it even. And now you have to turn this like that so you can pop this off. Okay. So as you can see, caliper comes off. This last part sits on sliders. As you can see, they need greasing. There is no lube, so it's really tight. Doesn't want to move. Now clean this caliper up. All those surfaces, mainly from inside. Press the piston back in. I use this kind of setup. Apply a little bit of strength. Should go in with no problem. See, already moving. I'm barely turning it. So once you got everything prepped up, add copper spray everywhere around this pad backing plate. Then take the lithium grease for those pins. Add grease everywhere around those pins, and before we start putting it back together. Lube it properly. Never is too much. Now pull this caliper back onto pins. As you can see, I pressed the pad before, so it's easier to install it. Play with it a little bit, and it's on. Take the final part as well. I added copper spray here, everywhere, every nut, bolt hole. This goes around here. Obviously we need to place the pad as well. Now you can bolt everything back together. So once everything bolted down, let's reconnect this brake pad rear sensor, turn it back into slot, take this connector, it's locked in place, and now the last part, which goes here, like that. Shoot it other way. Sure it fits into here. Take a small hammer and it's popped into place. So now flush this crease away where it shouldn't be. And